So you've decided to buy a car, but do you want a new or used car? The answer depends on a lot of variables that only you can answer, such as your budget, feature needs, and warranty and maintenance requirements. Here are the pros and cons to buying a new car. Opting for a brand new vehicle gives you a clean slate and the ability to select the specific colors and features you want. Other advantages include less maintenance costs, robust warranties, and roadside assistance. And don't forget that new car smell. In addition, automotive technology changes fast. New cars have the latest safety and driver assistance tech, and they also tend to be more fuel efficient than older cars. A big new car con is actually a pro of buying used: affordability. Most cars lose their value over time, and depreciation is likely to happen even before that new car smell is faded. What's more, used cars are typically priced lower than new cars. But buying a used car has its own risks that could cost you in the long run. It may need more maintenance and expensive repairs sooner than a new car, and those repairs probably won't be covered by a warranty. Although used vehicles don't carry the same warranty as new ones, the original factory warranty is sometimes transferable to the second owner, depending on the automaker. But what about an in-between option? Enter the certified pre-owned vehicle. Through CPO programs, buyers get a late model used car and an extended warranty. Dealers and third parties may certify vehicles, but factory certified pre-owned cars from an authorized dealer have the backing of the automaker and are preferred. Traditionally, the mileage and age of a CPO car are kept at no more than 80,000 miles or 6 years, but some programs go higher, so make sure to do your research. There's a lot to consider, but the decision to buy new, used, or CPO boils down to what you can afford and what will give you the most peace of mind. Get more car shopping advice at Cars.com/news.